Now, wow. Since morning, even one customer. Hi. Maybe I should just close this shop abeg. I'm tired.
Good afternoon. Do you have Folake?
Hey, God.
Folake! How far now?
I'm fine.
Longest time. How you doing?
Fine, my
I didn't know that is your shop. Okay, you sell bags. I was just looking for perfume. There's this perfume that one of my customers is looking for, and I actually don't have it now. Like I ordered it, the perfume has not come. So that's what. How are you doing? How is business? It's been a while. How are you
What
doing?
can I say? How is business? Just to come and sit down here,
business-
no customer since morning. No customer. I didn't even know that my village was following me to this marketplace. I don't understand. See Mama Chinere. She has been selling customers every day, every day. See me now.
But if I may ask, well, how do you normally market your product?
Market care. You just open shop and come and sit down here.
For
What
like
else is
in
there?
this digital age, don't you know that all the customers you are looking for are online? They are on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, all the social media platforms you know, they are there searching for this same product that you are selling. They are online. Have you ever considered learning a tech skill?
Which there's just the open Facebook account I have. Oh. What else is
No,
there?
it's not about opening Facebook accounts. You need to learn digital marketing. Just hear it, digital marketing, where you're going to learn how to market your product online to attract customers, how to market your product using different social media platforms, how to run ads. See, you'll be in your shop, you'll be receiving orders everywhere coming, and the most amazing part is that you have dispatch riders that will just go and deliver. You can deliver anywhere. I'm telling you, digital marketing is the key.
Are you sure I'll have customers?
Is the key. You will learn every social media, how to use every social media platform to market your business. There is also what we call search engine optimization, which will make your business high rank on Google. When people come to search, bam, is for like it that will show.
So Amina, are you saying that?
Yes,
If I start that digital thing you are talking about like this, all this my market, they will sell.
You need digital marketing. You need hold on. Hello. Good afternoon, ma. Yes, ma. Yeah, this patch rider just slept not quite long. Yes, in the next 30 minutes you'll be at your office. Yes, I have them. Okay, no problem. Just send them on WhatsApp. Yes. All right, ma. Thank you. Thank you so much. You have been an amazing customer. Thank you. Bye.
So Amina, you are not in your shop like this, customers are calling you.
That is the power of social media marketing. Digital marketing at large. That's what I'm telling you. Do you know that this woman, I've not met her before? She just saw my product online and she sent message, and she has been my customer for the past 2 years.
How will I go about it?
I know of a place, Bismarck Technologies. They are into training on tech skills, so you can learn digital marketing there.
Okay.
Please, you need it though.
You
You
put
need
me
it.
through.
You need it. Don't worry. I have your number. Don't worry.
Thank
You'll
you for
find me.
coming.
All right. Bye.
Bye.